What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today, my E55 has a problem. As you can see, the alarm siren in my E55 is going bad. Now, I'm going to be showing you today how to replace this little part. Now, here is the culprit here. This alarm siren right here has a battery in it, and when they go bad, they will eventually go bad, they will cause your alarm siren to randomly go off. Now, this is commonly found in the 211, 203, and the W463 G-Wagon as well, or just any Mercedes of this era. Now, here is the assembly. This is actually out of my E320 CDI over there. I just never replaced it because this is a $140 siren, and I don't care if anybody steals my E320 over there, but I do care if somebody steals this. So we're gonna fix this on my car. Here's that part number for anybody wanting this for their E55. I believe this is the same for the G-Wagon, E55, or E-Class, I'm sorry, and the C-Class as well. Like I said, there's that part number. This does look a little bit different than the one came out of my CDI here. But this is very easy to replace. It's actually located right here behind this wheel liner here. So we're gonna have to get this front tire off. Once you get that wheel off, you're left with this now. It's located right here. So you're gonna have to remove these bolts right here, or plastic screws, to get this off. You have two here, one here, little plastic clips here, and one up here to remove this liner. You also have two 8mm ones underneath as well. You can see where they went right there and right there as well. Now, once you remove that liner, this is what you'll be left with. We have this right here. This is the problem. This is what's causing that horn to randomly go off. Now, I do notice that some of these, are just falling apart. Not exactly sure what those are. So, looks like probably some plugs to prevent water from getting in the rails or in the frame. So, let me know down below if you know what those are for, or if you have the part numbers so I can get those replaced. But anyways, this is what we're after. We're gonna go ahead and get this out of here. All right, pretty easy to remove. You got two 8mm bolts down here and one up here. As you can see, they're gonna be like this. Very easy to remove. And then this comes out. You see you have one connector there and two little clips here that hold the wiring harness in place. Very easy to remove. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Very straightforward, very easy. You only have one bolt here. I believe that was a 13mm or 12mm. And you wanna make sure you wanna keep the connector in this opening so when you install it, you have it available there, because this will rotate and this can get stuck here. You won't be able to plug it in. But now, installation is just reverse of removal.
Okay.
And just like that, we got the wheel back on. Make sure, obviously, your lug nuts are torqued down to the proper spec. Inner wheel well is back on, the liner's back on. Don't forget the two bolts on the bottom. But yeah, very easy install. Again, here's that part number for you guys. Very interesting from the one from the E320 CDI is actually slightly different than the one off of a E55. I'm sure you can just swap that out, but very interesting. But thank you guys for watching. This was just a quick video on how to change your alarm siren. Very easy, did it less than an hour. But again, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you.